Dear students, let's start our class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter from your geography. The name of the chapter is Manufacturing Industries. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials is called manufacturing. Do you know that paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore, and aluminium from bauxite? Do you also know that some types of clothes are manufactured from yarn, which itself is an industrial product? Dear students, manufacturing sector is considered the backbone of development in general and economic development in particular, because manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy, they also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sectors. Industrial development is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. This was the main philosophy behind public sector industries and joint sector ventures in India. It was also aimed at bringing down regional differences by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher values are prosperous. India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries as quickly as possible. Agriculture and industry in India are interdependent on each other. Agro-industries in India have boosted agriculture by raising its productivity. Industries depend on agriculture for their raw materials. Example, cotton textile industry. Industries provide many agricultural inputs like irrigation, pumps, fertilizer, insecticides, PVC pipes, machines and tools, etc. to the farmers. Development of different modes of transport by industrial sector has not only helped farmers to obtain agricultural inputs but also helped them trade their products. Contribution of industry to national economy. The desired growth rate for industry is 12% in the coming decade. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council has been set up with this objective. Government policy, interventions and renewed efforts by the industry for productivity will help manufacturing achieve its desired growth rate. Industrial location. Industries are not found everywhere. They are located at certain places only where they get favorable conditions to thrive. Industrial location is governed mainly by the following factors: raw materials, source of energy, source of water, availability of capital and finance, demand in market, skilled laborers and workers, banking and insurance, transport and communication. Many industries come together at urban center to make use of the advantages. These are known as agglomeration economies. Types or classification of manufacturing industries on the basis of raw materials. Number 1. Agro-based. Those industries where raw materials come from agriculture, that is cotton, woolen, jute, silk, textile, sugar, tea, etc. Mineral-based. Those industries where minerals are used as raw materials, that is iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, etc. On the basis of their main role. Basic industries. Those industries which provide raw materials to other industries are called basic industries. These industries help the development of other industries, that is iron and steel, copper and aluminium, etc. Consumer industries. Those industries which produce goods for consumers are called consumer industries. Finished goods of these industries are directly sold in the market for consumers, that is sugar, toothpaste, paper, etc. On the basis of capital investment, small-scale industries. Those industries where investment of capital is less than rupees 1 crore are called as small-scale industry, that is mat, furniture, etc. Number 2. Large-scale industries. Those industries where investment of capital is more than rupees 1 crore are called as large-scale industries, that is iron and steel, cotton, textile, etc. On the basis of ownership, public sector and private sector. Public sector, these industries are owned, operated and maintained by government, that is well, SEL, etc. Private sector, these industries are owned, operated and maintained by individual or group of individuals, that is TISCO, Bajaj Auto Limited, etc. Dear students, let's recap the portion. Manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials is called manufacturing. We have also discussed about importance of manufacturing. Agriculture and industry in India are interdependent on each other. Then we have discussed contribution of industry to national economy, industrial location. At last, we have discussed types of classification. At last, we have discussed types or classification of manufacturing industry. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.